Separating the components of a mixture. We have already learned that mixture has more than one substance. In this video, let's see how we can separate these components of a mixture. Why is separation of components required? Separation makes it possible to study and use the individual components of a mixture. You might have observed hand-picking small stones in rice, sieving wheat flour, or filtering tea or coffee. Most of the heterogeneous mixtures in our day-to-day life are separated into their respective constituents by simple methods like hand-picking, sieving, and filtration. In a lab, filtration is a process of separating heterogeneous mixtures into their respective constituents using filter paper. However, all mixtures cannot be separated using these physical techniques. Let's take an individual example and see how we can separate them. How can we obtain colored components, known as dye, from blue or black ink? We use the evaporation method, which uses the volatility criteria of the mixture constituents. Evaporation is a process of separating the volatile component from its non-volatile component. Heating few drops of ink on a watch glass mounted on a beaker is shown in the figure, and that helps achieve this separation. Dye. The non-volatile solute of the ink remains on the watch glass, while water, the volatile solvent, evaporates. Let's look at another separation technique. How do we separate cream from milk? We use centrifugation method, which separates the mixture constituents based on the difference in their densities. Centrifuge is a machine used for centrifugation. When centrifuge with milk is powered on, the denser particles of milk are forced to the bottom and the lighter particles stay at the top. A centrifugation process has many applications. It is used in diagnostic labs for blood and urine tests, used in dairies to separate butter from cream. This method is also used for drying clothes in washing machines.